Okay guys, this is what I'm working with. My pedal goes down, and this time it hangs, but look, I can pull on it and it just pops right back and releases. And a lot of times I get this little, look at that, soft play, where it's just kicking back. I thought that the shoes were toast, because I've had this truck for like 8 years and have yet to do the emergency brake shoes, but I just did them and they honestly had quite a bit of life left on them. Since I had it apart, I put brand new ones on and then adjusted them. But I'm still having this issue here. So it must be up in this mechanism. I'm just not sure exactly what to look for. So any help would be appreciated, because right now this is not holding my truck on a hill. So again, if you can help me figure out, there's gotta be some sort of gearing up here, I'm assuming, that maybe I have to re-clock where it's at, or the tooth is broken since I can pull on this and it releases. So again, any help I would appreciate it. Thank you.